Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera. Guys, we're gonna get into it right quick. I'm not gonna take much of your time today because I got some news, and I got what I believe could be good news, guys. So we're gonna talk about Bitcoin today. Bitcoin, that's right, everybody's favorite cryptocurrency that is gonna change the world and gonna possibly change your life. So, okay guys, guys, as you guys have maybe seen, Bitcoin has been on a downtrend the past couple of weeks, which it's not unexpected. Bitcoin is cyclical, just like many other sectors. There's a stock market. The stock market has its cycles. The economy has its cycles. So Bitcoin has its mini cycles within a big cycle. And we have been on a downtrend the past couple of really about 2 weeks. As you guys could see, we've been on a downtrend. We were up in the $61,000 area, and we fell down as low as $50,000 like about a couple of days ago. Honestly, I've been playing these pumps, and I've been doing well, but I hate to admit this, guys, and and if you guys call me out on it, I will, I'm gonna accept it, but I wanted Bitcoin to drop quite a bit more because I've actually wanted to buy more Bitcoin, and I wanted to rebuy a whole Bitcoin. And at these price levels, it doesn't seem like I'm gonna be able to buy the entire Bitcoin, which I could afford, but I need to be prudent with my money, and it needs to be invested in, diversified in the correct ways. So guys, look, as you guys could see, I'm gonna bring you here into this bottom part of the chart. Whoopsies, right here. As you guys could see, Bitcoin. This chart really shows you what has been going on with Bitcoin in the past weeks, and why I believe Bitcoin may be finally ready to break up to the upside, guys. So look, as you guys could see, this is the MACD. This measures. You see the volume. It measures whenever Bitcoin is, or any really trading asset is falling or it's rising. And guys, every time we have a massive dump, boom, you see this line right here. It starts to cross with the MACD. It starts to converge downwards, and that's really when you should be getting out. And that's how I tend to be able to figure out not to lose as much money or any money. I've only lost I've lost about maybe $1,800 tops, but compared to what I've made, that's about say 1,800, so that's about a 5% or less than 3%. So I've lost less than 3% of what I made, which is pretty good. But right here, as you guys can see, every time we hit this red, boom, it drops. The price drops major, and as you guys could see, the MACD is a great indicator for you to be able to tell when to get out or when to buy in, when you want to be bullish or when you want to be bearish. And as you guys could see, that during this dump, boom, 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 we had the bear signs. But now whenever you start to see a curl in this curve, right, as you saw right here, it starts to curl towards the upside. And as you could see right here, it started to curl, then we had a bit bottom, and then boom, we exploded back up. So as you can see, boom, we exploded back up. Once these two lines start to cross right here, that's when you really want to get in, because that is a confirmation of boom, we are gonna hit upward momentum price targets. So we went from 51 to about like 60,000, which is not bad at all, guys. That's like I believe that's about almost a 20% return. If we measure that correctly, it's about maybe 18, something along those lines. Let's see. Oh wow, so we are actually 22% return if you would have found that, guys. So that's a pretty good deal. And then once again, guys, you just boom, wait for that line to cross again towards the bottom, and then boom, we sell out. And that's where we sold out. I got out here a couple weeks back ago. I've been playing pops and dips, but here, guys, this is where I got out, and this is where I'm rebuying back in already. So we haven't confirmed once again, you know, the crossing, but it looks like we've started a curl, guys. It looks like we started a curl, and we really didn't pass down the $50,000 range. The $50,000 range was very strong. So I feel like maybe we'll go like this, and then boom. That's what I think we're gonna do, guys. And as you guys could see, at worst, let's say we retest this bottom part of the channel right here, which let's say it goes down here. At worst, we may retest the $51,000, $52,000 range, and then boom, we'll explode back up to the highest part of the channel, which could be in the $74,000 range. And typically, you know, I watch a lot of other YouTubers. I listen to information. I see what other YouTubers that know what they're doing on Bitcoin are talking about, and people are talking about this $74,000 to $80,000 range. Really, actually, conservatively speaking, we're talking the $68,000 to $70,000 range. That's conservative, guys. And then we're talking around the $75,000 range. With a lot of YouTubers are talking about the $75,000 to $77,000 range. And through my own analysis, I do seem to concur that we could be hitting the $75,000 range sometime this next coming month or coming 2 months. As you guys could see, right, this chart is the one-day chart. This chart measures every candlestick in this chart. Sorry about that, guys. Every candlestick in this chart measures 1 day. So whenever I get in heavy on Bitcoin, I'm waiting to see the main big picture. And whenever we do that, guys, that's usually when I go in a little heavy. As you guys could see, I've gone in quite a bit heavy on Bitcoin. I'm in a $20,000 play right now. I'm down 1.35%, which is within my losing range, guys. I expect at worst I could drop around 8% and 10%, which I could withstand. Do I want to have a 10% drop? No, but I could withstand a 20% drop. I'm sorry, a 10% drop. But I'm probably thinking at most if it does go down again, I'll see probably a 7%, 8% drop, which is exactly what I've been calculating, and which I'm okay with. And then we'll shoot back up. Maybe I might have gone in a little too early. Do as I say, not as I do. As you could, as obviously I'm telling you to wait for the confirmation. But I am feeling pretty bullish. And this is not financial advice, guys. I am not telling you to go in on Bitcoin right here. We could possibly see another dip down towards maybe in a day or two, but I do feel that overall we are going to be in an uptrend this coming month. So that's kind of what I'm feeling, guys. I usually get in around a $28,000 trade, but this time I've split it up into Ethereum. So I put about $20,000 into Bitcoin, and Ethereum I'm in about $8,000. So it's a $28,000 play that I'm in starting as of yesterday. So as you guys can see, I'm down 1.97%, which I'm not too excited about, but once again, it's within the range that I know that I'm willing to withstand. As you guys remember, Bitcoin held a very strong $50,000 level, and this was back when we were very bearish on Bitcoin. Everybody was scared that we might have seen that we could see a Bitcoin drop to around 42,000, which ideally I would have not been distraught about, because I would have bought in the entire Bitcoin at 42,000, but it's okay. So we're clearly staying within this channel, guys. The channel has not broken. Look, as you guys could see, the channel is still being respected, guys. This whole channel right here is an upward momentum. Boom. That whole channel is going up. It has not broken down. This is an overall channel started from this past January. So we're on third or fourth month, whichever month we are. I think it's gonna be fourth month. So as you guys could see, the Bitcoin has respected this channel. It stays within this channel, and boom, we may break out of the channel. We may break out of the channel, and we may see some crazy price movements. But if we stay within the channel, which once again, that would not be a bad thing, we could still see the $75,000, $76,000 range. and I would probably be taking profits around the $75,000 range. But yeah, guys, that's kind of my heads up on what's going on with Bitcoin. And if you guys are in it, make sure you guys do your own research, see if these things make sense to you, do your own your own analysis, and don't obviously focus on what I'm saying. This is just what I'm playing with my own money, guys. I don't mind losing my own money, but I do not want you guys to lose your money if you don't know what you're doing. So please, guys, make sure you always do your own due diligence. Stay up to date. Stay up to date on the charts. Stay up to date what's going on with Bitcoin, with price action, with everything that really has to do with what makes Bitcoin go up. As you guys can see, the volume here is a little low. I'm not too excited about that because every time we see these pumps, we have huge volume right here. Huge volume right there. When we had that last pump right there, as you guys could see, there was huge volume. So I'm a little concerned, not too concerned yet because of the volume. It's so low here, but I'm really hoping that we will see more volume come in and then boom, hit towards that upside, or we may see down and then up. But that's it, guys. That's it for today. Please remember, you can always get out of the rat race too. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bells, and hit the all so you guys can get all the videos up to date on what's going on. Please remember, I always keep you updated on what's going on at the moment, at the minute. So if we break this channel, this could be an awesome thing, but we may retouch the channel. And also, guys, sorry, one more thing. If we break down from this channel, we cannot respect this channel. We may see Bitcoin towards the downside to the $43,000 range, which is the next point of resistance. And I really hope we don't get there. I probably would sell out of my short-term position. I will never sell out of my long-term positions, but short-term position, I may sell out of it. And then I may buy more for my long-term positions here if Bitcoin does break down again, which I don't think it will. But I would buy more for my long-term positions. I'm talking years. I'm going to hold this forever, guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.